Morning legends. Well, today's a pretty special day, so we're up early and we're going to be heading away from here to Waimate. So it's about 2 hours trip from here, and what we're going to be doing is getting another locomotive cab. So this cab's very rare, probably only 3 of them in existence in New Zealand, so pretty exciting. Wish us luck. Hopefully everything fits on the trailer and we've got our people up there to load us, so we'll see what happens. Looking forward to it. Exciting. G'day legends, well we're here, so we've managed to get here in my trusty work ute, so courtesy of Bridgman Street Panel Beaters, thank you very much, and the trailer which is courtesy of Hire Works Dunedin, legends. So this is the DG cab here, or the recab. The HiAB operator's already been here and moved it from where it was sitting, and it's got the chains on the roof, so we're a little bit late, so I'm kind of hoping he does come back, which I'm sure he will. So this is it here, so we're going to get this loaded on here. It's going to be a bit of a snug fit on the trailer, but I don't think we'll have any issues at all. So yeah, looking mean, excited. So we'll get this all loaded on. I've got my brother here and his daughter helping as well, so yeah, we'll see how we go. We good on this side? You go the way forward. Yep. Yep. Yep, down there. Move. Up a wee bit. I just got a wee bit of metal on this side. I just need to push it in. Yep, down there. G'day legends, well, we got it back home, so we managed to get back from Waimate to Dunedin probably in about 2.5, 3 hours, or maybe less actually, but no problem, went really well. Perfect fit on the trailer. So today it will be going into Bridgman Street Panel Beaters and getting a really good steam clean, and after that getting its repaint. And here's the other one down here, waiting for its engine shed to be built behind it. So we'll go and have a wee look. Just going to move it up actually because it's a bit over the drive. So it's the old stand framework, chipboard flooring, so that'll have to be all wrapped up and replaced. Still got the old armrests, pretty good nick actually. Armrest there, door into the engine bay, and there she is there. So that's it, mission accomplished to this point, getting it back to Dunedin.